Thanks for watching our new video with the Piano Solutions workshop. Last year we showed you many videos that we explain some technique, some procedures and the tools that we use in the piano in restoration. And of course we understand that tools make you feel just more comfortable, rely on certain tools, you can make a good job and minimize the work intensive process. Like let's say I show you many tools like measure the depth of the keys, or just like tuning hammers, you see, with a comfortable handle, but you still to do the job. And as you know already, besides the piano restoration that involve a lot of labor, there are some other skills, like for instance, micromosaic, the certain things that takes years to accomplish certain work, and some fabric that they make some ornaments. The folks spend hours and days and months on these ones. And even, let's say, in our skills in piano restoration, when you come to the certain piano, you have to generally understand what's involved in this restoration. Are you able to do it step by step, starting from action, keys, pin block, sound board, whatever, just bridges? It's a lot of pieces you have to handle. And in order for you to be confident, or you know already that you can handle it, I suggest you certain tests to go through the counting process. Like I show you just a small example of what I did with these washers that accumulated for like 25 years in the restoration. And I just try to figure out how many of them, and I can make it easy. I count 100 of them, then I use the container, weight it, and then I just figure out the whole overall weight, and it comes to 6,460. But then I took my time and I spent like, I don't think, maybe around 8 hours, and I count them one by one, and it's get to this number. Of course, as you see, they very close, but they different. But that was not the goal. It was the sudden just training to be just eligible for the certain work to do. Like for instance, if you dealing with a tuning and you have to do multiple motions, you probably take you years to do it. And when you train yourself in a certain way, you just become a really professional person. You can do not only piano restoration, you can do other things. It helps you in your life to be patient. In order to achieve this, I suggest you the certain tests that I did it for myself many times, and it helps me in restoration. Like, let's say, bag of barley, it's probably going to be around 15,000. And if you count them, it takes maybe several days, you will see how it's train yourself to be more patient, and you achieve the goal to know the exact number. Or you use the coffee beans, you can do it, especially it's going to be nice smelt that you enjoy it, and you just like train yourself. And I'm explaining to you why I suggest it to you, because in my experience, I get to the project that calculate not hundreds, not 1,000 pieces. It's calculate around 100,000 of them. Then you go to another level of your patience. It means even just like beyond your ability to be patient like this when you're dealing with 100,000 pieces. Of course, this training helped me a lot. And after I trained myself to be patient by counting the pieces, I do my restoration easy with a pleasure, and it's almost become meditation for me. It means I enjoy it, and I want you to be like this, to do with pleasure, with enjoyment, and of course you already got the tools and knowledge, and it's going to be good quality. Thanks a lot for watching. If you do follow this, you will see it's helped you. And of course, we're always just waiting for your feedback. Thanks a lot. All the best.